Hello, my name's Jeremy, and I'll be your guide through our solar system. The Sun. Throughout history, the sun has been worshipped by many cultures, such as the Aztecs, Incas, and many Native American tribes. Even our ancestors knew that sunlight was vital for life on Earth. Without sunlight, we would have no plants, and without plants, animals would have no nourishment, and there would be no way for humans to exist. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. The sun is the closest thing to a perfect sphere that has ever been observed in nature. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for light from the sun to reach Earth. So when you're looking at the sun, you're looking at what it looked like 8 minutes ago. One day, the sun will consume the Earth. The sun will continue to burn for about 130 million years after it burns through all of its hydrogen, instead of burning helium. During this time, it will expand to such a size that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and Earth. When it reaches this point, it will have become a red giant star. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. It's made of heavy metals and rock. The surface is similar to that of the moon, with many craters and impact marks from asteroids and comets. 1 year on Mercury is equivalent to 88 Earth days. Mercury doesn't have any moons or rings because of the low gravity and the lack of atmosphere. Since it has no atmosphere to regulate temperatures, it has the most extreme temperature range in our solar system, ranging from negative 170 degrees Celsius at night to 430 degrees Celsius during the day. The next closest planet to the sun is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius. This is due to Venus's extremely dense carbon dioxide atmosphere, which traps in a lot of heat. Venus also has a surface covered in clouds made from sulfuric acid. Venus is also different from Earth because it rotates clockwise on its axis, unlike Earth, which rotates counterclockwise. Right after Venus is Earth, which is our home planet. It's the largest terrestrial planet in the solar system. It's the only planet able to sustain life, and 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. The reason it's the only planet that can sustain life is because our atmosphere allows for a temperature in which plants, animals, and humans can all coexist and survive. Mars is believed to be the second most hospitable planet to life, with the exception of Earth. Only 16 of the 39 missions to Mars have been successful. Mars is also home to the tallest mountain known in the solar system, the Olympus Mons, which is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. Mars is the only other planet to experience seasons besides Earth, which last twice as long as Earth's seasons. Following Mars is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so large that it would take 11 Earths lined up next to each other to be able to stretch from one side to the other. Jupiter also has the shortest day of all the planets at about 10 hours. Jupiter has at least 67 moons, the largest of which, Ganymede, is the largest moon in the solar system. Jupiter is surrounded by clouds made of ammonia, crystals, and sulfur. And it has a great red spot that is a huge storm that has been on the planet for over 300 years. Saturn follows Jupiter. It is extremely similar to Jupiter in size and composition. It's often nicknamed the ringed planet due to the large rings that circle the planet. The rings are made of chunks of ice and carbonaceous dust. 1 year on Saturn is 29.4 Earth years. Saturn has winds that reach speeds of up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. It has 150 moons and has been visited by 4 spacecraft. The only other planet with rings in our solar system is Uranus. Uranus is known as the coldest planet giving it the nickname the ice giant. Uranus is the least dense planet in the solar system after Saturn. Lastly is Neptune. Neptune is the second largest planet in our solar system, which gives it the second largest gravity of any planet. It has an average surface temperature of negative 214 degrees Celsius. Only one spacecraft, the Voyager 2, has ever flown past Neptune, and it takes Neptune about 164.8 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Thank you for joining me on our journey through the solar system and letting me be your guide to the Sun and the 8 planets that comprise the solar system in which we live.